Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off or shut down Windows 11 PC or laptop using keyboard here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me just show you my on-screen keyboard so that you can completely see how to do it, okay? So I will just have to navigate here to start icon, do a right click, and I will just go with my settings. Here at the settings, let me proceed to my accessibility. I will just click on it. And here, I will just scroll down and go with keyboard. Okay, let me just turn it on. Okay, so let me close this so that we can focus in here. So using your keyboard, actual keyboard, I'm just showing you my on-screen keyboard so that you can completely see what keys are you going to press in order to turn off or shut down your Windows or computer. Okay. So here you need to press Windows key and X key together. Again, press Windows key and X key together. And the moment you have the press on it, okay, again, I'm just showing you my on screen. You don't have to use your on screen. You can use your keyboard, the actual keyboard in your laptop. I'm just showing you my on screen keyboard so that you can completely see what keys are you going to press. Okay. So again, press Windows key and X key together. And once you have the pressed on it, proceed on letter U key and press it 2 times. Again, press it twice. Press it first and second. Once you have pressed on it, you'll be able to shut down or turn off your computer or laptop. Okay? So again, press Windows key and X key together. And once done, proceed on letter U. Press it twice. One, two. Once done, you would be able to turn off or shut down your computer. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.